Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully update our footer page, right? So now in this video I want to do that here I have updated all the data in our database. Simple work, specific one ID data. Now I want to get it and then I want to visible it in our footer. Okay, that means in our Frontend footer area. First of all we have to find out our appropriate that file location. So if you go to our project, into this project, that is our Frontend, right? We have to go to our Frontend. Like right now there is a Frontend. Into the Frontend body, here you can say I have already segment our footer and I have already segment our header. So now into the footer area, first of all we have to get this data, right? So that will be same process, very easy. I take on the PHP block and I want to do and to find this PHP block, and into this PHP block our condition will be same because I want to do and to get a specific one ID data. Right, I simply copy it before I get it and I pass it in our footer all page. Now I want to do and to visible it. If you go to our footer blade and now I want to paste it. Okay, so now I take a same variable. If you want to change it as per your demand, you can change it. So if you want to access our footer model, now we have to access it by a specific our file location. So that will be in our app /models. Okay, that will be the /models and then our footer. Great, and then I find a specific ID. With our footer we'll get access our footer table, right? So now I get it and now I take the things with this variable. Now simple work, with this we can actually display all that our database field. Like that is our phone number. Okay, into this phone number area here I want to update this phone number. So if you want to update it, then that will be our all footers. So now with this all footers I want to access our field name. If you go to our database, now if you go to the structure, now I want to display our number. Okay, so now that will be display our number. Great, so now we have to do the same things for our short description. I simply updated our field name as a short description. I copy it. Now that will be as a short description. How much easy it is, you can see. Now I want to copy it. Now that will be our address part and that will be our email part. Okay, so now I am update with our all footers. I want to access our address, so that will be our address. I want to update that address and also I want to update that email. Okay, so I copy it, so now that will be as an email, and also I want to update our mail, that is our mail, and then that will be our email. Okay, so now our email will be updated. Great. And flow, that is the Facebook and Twitter, but I want to make it a little bit left side. So same process, so now we have to apply. Okay, same process. Now better copy it. Now that will be our URL. I updated that Facebook and then Twitter. Okay, so here I paste it. So sorry, here I paste it. Now that will be our file name as a Facebook. So now that will be as a Facebook, and also another one I make it as a Twitter. Okay, so now make it as a Twitter. You can also use another one as a targeted blank, then that will be when you click it, it will be open with our new tab. Okay, right now it's totally fine. And then the copyright, I want to also update our copyright. I copy it. Now that will be our copyright text. I simply paste it. So now our field name as a copyright, I copy it. Now that will be as a copyright. Okay, now that should be updated. Now let's check this out. It's very easy, as I told you. Now if you click as a save all, now go to our Frontend. Okay, into the Frontend, that is a footer part. Now that should be updated. Click as a refresh. Yes, you can see it's now successfully updated our dynamic number. There's some of the short description. I use it as easy. You can see it's now updated. Now that is the address is updated, email is updated, and also if you put your cursor, now you can see our Facebook URL is visible and also our Twitter URL is visible. Great, and also you can see our copyright is updated. So now everything you can manage from your backend. Okay, so now our footer part is totally dynamic. So in our next video I want to work, if you go to our template, in our Frontend template, that is our contact page. Okay, in our next video I want to discuss about that contact, because into this contact page there have also one of the form. Okay, now I want to insert some of the message data in our database. First of all I want to insert that data into the database, and then I will get this data and I will visible it in our admin panel. Okay, how can do this work? In our next video I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.